Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for a Hestia Pro theme for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to your website. So let's get started. I will provide you the direct product link in the description box, so just check that this video description and you will redirect on the direct product page. Otherwise you have to open your browser and type for Bloggingify store and open our website, and here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with original license ki we don't sell crack and null product. Here we have original license, so we install all the licenses on your WordPress website, so you will receive lifetime auto update. So let me explain you how you can purchase it from our store. So just click on the search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about Hestia Pro theme, so let me type Hestia. Here's the few details about this product, so let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually, we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your WordPress theme, this WordPress theme on your website in a few minutes with our original license key. License type original license key we have, so you will receive auto update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name and other information, and select your payment method according to your card and countries and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button, so just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your WordPress theme in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.